Right, what we have here, I think, is a 1947 Chrysler Royal. I got this thing, I don't know, quite a few years ago, probably eight years ago maybe. I got this from a local wrecker that was closing down, and I bought, the same place I bought that Plymouth, and I don't know, I bought about 6 cars spot. So we're going to pull it out of here, we'll have a look at it, maybe give it a little once over, make sure the tires are good and this kind of thing. I don't think that this car is really restorable, but it is, you know, I really like these harmonica grill Chryslers, and maybe one day a coupe would come along and this thing could donate a bunch of parts. We're going to fire up the old tractor, we're going to get this thing pulled up and where we can have a better look at it.
Oh, you had this baby running, eh?
Oh yeah, I had it out the other day.
Oh, would you go to town with it?
Yeah, to get some groceries. So nobody dings the doors of this baby, eh?
Yeah, you could park it right anywhere.
You can park wherever you like.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta turn the gas on.
The clutches are pretty touchy on them.
Oh, the clutch is brutal,
Yeah.
right?
Like my neighbor had one exactly like this. And he's fallen off the back a few times.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Put the crank to her.
That was bad.
Oh, God. Goddamn shit show this. Goddamn place.
Idiot's
Hey,
nightmare.
yeah, I'm doing it for him.
Every day.
Have you driven a goddamn Standard before?
It just shut off. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm sorry. Look at that. We got her out though.
Well, you did, but you hardly need air. A couple tires in the front and that's it. Huh? You know, I gotta give you my ass, you know.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to fix that.
I did.
You should have seen it before. Oh, it's too bad about the rocker panels. They're a little dusty. Well, at least the tires are good, eh?
What rocker pedals?
Yeah, well, we'll give it a quick tidy up, I guess. Get it ready to go in its new slot.
The show.
Yeah, that's right, the show's coming. Let's get her running, we'll take her to Bob's Wake.
Polish her up a bit.
Give her a shine, yeah. What have you got there, Boo? Oh, that's a nice stick. She doesn't care at all. About all those old cars, hey? You got a stick.
So this is a musical Cars Day, or?
Yeah.
You know, just like musical chairs. You know,
Yes.
move this one here, move that one there, move this over here.
There's so little air in this, it won't even budge the thing. Geez, I don't like standing too close to these. Oh, 15, that's plenty.
Whoa!
15.
Don't overdo it.
That's crazy talk, yeah.
Like Bob would say, don't overdo it.
You don't want to do too much.
Yeah.
That's right. I might tell that story at his wake. Where he says, you don't want to do too much. This thing's a classic tire tour de force. We got,
Oh, it's rolling.
yeah, good. That's the fastest
Okay,
it's moved
it's not
in
gonna.
years.
Okay. Not gonna roll and hit anything.
I think it would be hard to tell even if it did. Well, 15.
Cool.
That's plenty. Don't stand too close to that one. This tire is kind of too small for this thing.
Maybe that's the spare, you know, one of those small.
That's a space saver
Yeah.
spare, yeah. Let's have a look under the hood. Shall we?
Is there anything there?
Yeah, there's an engine in it. How do you open the hood? I think it might be inside.
I don't think so.
Like, this is a Chrysler.
Oh. Top of the line?
Top of the line, buddy.
Oh!
Are you kidding? That actually worked?
Yeah?
There she goes.
Oh, look at that. Oh, dual orange.
Looks like the generator's been robbed, but some bits
Well,
missing
I'm
out
sure
of the carb.
You can get one off another one.
This,
You must have something else with a generator on it.
oh, I got, yeah. I got 10 of those generators.
Has it still got glycol in it?
No. I doubt it very much. This poor old thing, it would probably run.
Well, have
Okay.
you ever tried to turn it over?
I did, it turned over when I got it.
Yeah.
I just haven't done anything with it since.
With it since, yeah.
I've never put a battery to it or anything.
Yeah. I sure like that rad. That thing is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, that's a nice piece.
That
and,
is a nice piece.
and it hasn't even been, a
No.
lot of these have been chopped here
No.
to get the engine out. It's easier to just cut that stuff sometimes, so. Yeah, that's,
No.
she's an easy fixer, as they say in the trade.
You might need new plugs.
It probably needs a few little bits, eh? Yeah. I think this is the bigger 6. I forget that these were 250 something cubic inch. The trouble is the rust again. Like the rest of
Yeah.
this is pretty easy to fix, but it's just so rusty. Hop in the back there. Yeah, see what you think. I'm gonna get some Gibbs and do all the hinges and stuff while we're here. Sure, this would have been a very lovely
Oh,
car
yeah.
when it was new.
They were
Chrysler was a fancy car back then.
got suicide doors on it. Hey,
Yeah,
I like
a
that.
couple of them have
Yeah.
committed suicide already. Yeah, I like suicide door cars. That's cool.
Yeah, they are. That's
Hey, look, there's some booster cables. Where were these when we were trying to start
well,
the tractor?
yeah.
Oh, what else is in here?
Toolbox.
dear. Ooh, I haven't opened this since I got
Hey,
the car.
there's keys for it. Huh? Yeah, there's keys right
Two
there.
toolboxes.
Yeah,
Well, we'll
that
use
one looks
those.
brand new.
Trunk treats, eh? Look at that.
Air cleaner. That's your missing
That's the
that.
one, yeah.
You need that.
And there's some trim for the car.
Yeah.
Extra headlight things.
Yeah.
Fuel pump. Oh yeah. Goodies in there. Beans. Oh, there you go. Surefire, hey?
Oh yeah. Like diesel. Is that ether?
It's ether, I
Yeah.
suspect. You guys want to hit?
I don't want to sleep right now.
You don't have a tooth to pull out or nothing?
Yeah. Did
Only
you do the
all
trunk
the hinges.
hinges?
First step in your detailing process, eh? Holy. That's not going to do it. Have to use the business end. Oh. There's so much dirt, I don't even want it on the driveway. Yeah, it's important to pull pull them out of the trees every decade or so.
Yeah, get all the shit off.
Give them a once-over detailing job.
Yeah.
There, see, now she's mint again.
Oh yeah, she looks good now.
Yeah. This is from a different model.
Oh.
Because this one's wrecked, see?
Oh yeah. There's nothing wrong with that one.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Farmer
Nothing to
fixed
see
it.
here, yeah? Look, somebody's already fixed it.
Well,
see?
yeah, they did the same to the other side,
Yeah.
so it matches.
Well, there we have it, 1947 Chrysler. Just as nice as the day I bought it, hey? We'll give her a shining up though, and I'd like to park it beside the 40 Dodge. And so that's the plan. Are we gonna have to fix this then? We could probably fix that up pretty good.
Well, you could hammer it out, hey?
Yeah.
Rough it out.
Somebody roughed it out
Yeah,
already, I
yeah.
think, to keep. The trouble is the door flew open. Suicide door, right?
Oh yeah.
That's what's done that, because it's caved this in here. Look at the,
That was a good idea.
that's just terrible, eh? And then a little Bondo which fell off before I was born.
Did they have Bondo back then?
Well, oh yeah, the little stoppy thing is just
Oh, it's gone. Yeah.
And the hinge is
See,
all
there's
harmed
your,
out
your
here.
generator.
Oh, there's the generator,
Yeah.
nice. It's
I think the
fallen down.
upholstery might need a little cleaning there.
Maybe. Another car that Tom had one when they were new.
Hey?
You're older than this car by a couple years.
Probably, yeah.
You're in better shape.
Well, I don't know. I'm starting to rust out too.
Yeah.
What I like the best is the radiator.
Yeah, the radiator is mint, yeah.
And look at how nice it is.
That's an old honeycomb
Yeah,
type,
old
yeah.
honeycomb
Beautiful.
radiator.
Oh, I like the horns too.
Yeah.
One, they got big long pipes on them,
Yeah.
yeah.
Is there paint coat on it?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Paint code is 4017.
That
Probably
must be
some-
rust colored.
Can you guys see that?
Yeah. Burgundy. Up above the thing there,
There we go.
there, it looks real good there. Just keep doing the whole damn
Just
thing.
do the whole car, yeah. Don't take long. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was many years ago.
Yeah, burgundy.
A nice burgundy color.
Yeah.
And now it's bare metal brown. Oh, the heat riser still works.
Yeah.
That's probably the only non-seized part on the car you found there.
Yeah.
But I bet you we could get
Put
it to
it-
run.
Big old 4-barrel.
Yeah, that's what it needs, yeah. Unfortunately, the clutch pedal and stuff were damaged 'cause I think somebody towed it by that.
Oh.
They put so it's all kind of bent under there.
Yeah, yeah.
So it would have to go up on the hoist. Haven't had a good look at it in years, actually.
You walk past it every day.
Yeah, but I only ever see the front. Let's see if the doors will close.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, come on now. Hey, I got one. Oh, two doors
Yeah.
closed.
Don't lock yourself out now. You got a key.
I don't know. We'll shine it up and pull it where the Packard is. What have you got there? That's a nice one.
Well, okay, I gotta head her home.
Right on. Thanks for the help. Fluid drive. Remember that? That was a big deal.
Boy, that was a big deal back then.
Yeah. Watch out, boo-boo. There we go. Yeah, I like this though. That's the stoplights.
Stoplight, yeah.
Yeah. Those were just park lights, yeah. There was no signal lights, I don't think.
No.
Oh wait, you know what? I'm lying. Well, this does have signals, and that's factory.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
It's just somebody rode over it and
Yeah.
smoked
Pushing
it
it.
off. Yeah.
Probably pushing it around with a tractor.
Yeah, what kind of a goon would do that, eh? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I thought you might get a kick of seeing the old Chrysler come out of its hiding hole there. This is the first time I've moved it since I got the car. Oh, I don't know, it was a long time ago. Dylan and I put it in that hole there. So leave us a note if you think we should try and get it running. I don't think it's ever going back on the road, but it would be fun to park it beside its 1940 Dodge buddy there. And that's kind of the goal, was to start maybe move some of the older units over in front of where I keep the Model T, just to keep everything kind of period there. That's all, just a little car shuffling. So the very near future we'll be moving the Packard and the 1940 Dodge as well, and both of those run, so we'll be certainly wasting a few more of your minutes on that process. Say goodbye to everybody. Oh, there's my water. What a good girl. Okay, see everybody on Saturday. Cheers. Oh, nice. He's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.